Welcome to the Beginner's Greek Lesson 1, Starter Vocabulary. If you've already registered for the free demonstration lesson, you should have been instructed to watch the video on the Greek alphabet first. Now it's time to practice what you've learned. Here are 7 starter words for you to learn and to get familiar with before your first Greek lesson. This slide describes a quick tip on how to learn vocab, so pause and read. See the longer video on all tips on how to learn vocabulary. Let's get started. See this word? Try to say it first. Okay, so I will say it now. So we have an e, we've got a n, and we've got a a. E, n, a. So we have ena, ena. Take note of the stress on the e. So we have ena, and it means either a, an, or one. In other words, a car, a cat, a building, and so on. See this word, try to say it. Okay, so I will say it for you now. 𝗪𝗏𝗡. 𝗪𝗏𝗡. Sandwich. Sandwich. So it's a borrowed English word, the word sandwich. And you can see the letter combinations in the alternative colors, which you practice during your lesson on the alphabet. So we have sun, do, it's, sandwich, sandwich. See this word? Try to say it. Okay, I'll say it for you now. 𝗫𝗫𝗃. 𝗫𝗃. Παρακαλώ. Παρακαλώ. So also notice the stress on this word. It is at the omega on the end. Put a little emphasis on that spot. And it means please. Again, I repeat. Greek is a phonetic language, so what you see is what you say. See this word, try to say it. I'll say it for you now. 𝗟𝗏. 𝗟𝗏. So, 𝗟𝗏. And if you know the English word ego, you can see where it comes from. It comes from 𝗟𝗏, and it means I. I. See this word, try to say it. So the sound here is 𝗕𝗏, 𝗕𝗏, starting with the soft th sound, and then 𝗕𝗏, 𝗕𝗏, meaning I want. Say this word. So the sound of this word is 𝗀, 𝗀. So you see the letter combination here that you learned in the alphabet. A and I together make E, with a kappa sound, 𝗀, 𝗀. And it means and, as in apples and oranges. So here is the 7th and final word. Try to say it. I'll say it for you now. 𝑢𝑧𝑜. 𝑢𝑧𝑜. As in ouzo. And ouzo is a Greek alcoholic drink, a very popular Greek alcoholic drink. And we have the letter combination here, O and E, that you learned in the alphabet lesson. And the E that looks like a U, but it is not a U. And we learned to add leg onto it, as in the letter Y in English, and as in the word Mary, as a memory tool. So O and E together make U, and we have ouzo. This is a summary of your starter vocab. Let's take a look. 𝗓𝗓, 𝗓𝗓. Sandwich, sandwich. 𝗓𝗏, 𝗓𝗏𝗏. 𝗓𝗏, 𝗓𝗏. 𝗕𝗏, 𝗕𝗏. 𝗓, ouzo, ouzo. Here are a few extra tips on learning vocabulary, so just pause and read, and I'm looking forward to meeting you at your first Greek lesson.